CPU coolers are essential for high-performance systems, preventing overheating, maintaining stable temperatures, improving reliability, and allowing CPUs to run at maximum speed during heavy workloads. My today's video is about top 5 best CPU cooler that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ID Cooling CPU Cooler. The SE903 XTV2 Black stands out as a compact yet capable CPU cooler designed for reliable thermal performance in modern PC builds. Its upgraded tower heatsink with direct touch heat pipes efficiently transfers heat away from the processor, delivering noticeably more stable cooling compared to the previous generation. The improved fin-locking structure and reinforced fan clips add structural strength, reducing vibration and ensuring durability even during long gaming sessions or system transport. A larger 100mm fan replaces the older 92mm version, pushing greater airflow while maintaining balanced noise levels, making it suitable for both everyday productivity and gaming workloads. Aesthetically, the cooler features a refined, seamless black design that blends neatly into gaming rigs, office PCs, or minimalist setups. Despite its improved cooling capability, the compact footprint avoids interference with RAM or motherboard components, making it ideal for IDX and MATX builds. The upgraded universal mounting bracket further simplifies installation with broad compatibility for both Intel and AMD platforms. Now our second product is Corsair CPU Cooler. The Corsair ICUE Link AIO CPU Cooler delivers a premium all-in-one liquid cooling experience designed for performance enthusiasts who want powerful cooling with minimal setup complexity. Built around the ICUE Link ecosystem, it simplifies system building by allowing components to connect sequentially through universal connectors into a single hub, dramatically reducing cable clutter and improving overall system organization. At the heart of the cooler is Corsair's FlowDrive cooling engine, featuring a 3-phase motor pump and a precision-engineered cold plate that maximizes contact with the CPU's heat spreader for efficient thermal transfer. The pre-mounted RX RGB fans are optimized for high airflow and strong static pressure, making them excellent radiator fans, while Corsair's air guide technology and magnetic dome bearings ensure quiet, stable operation. With PWM control up to 2,100 revolutions per minute and 0 RPM mode for silent operation at low temperatures, this cooler balances performance and acoustics exceptionally well. Broad compatibility with Intel and AMD platforms makes it a versatile choice for modern high-performance builds. Our third product is TRYX CPU Cooler. The TRYX SE360 ARGB AIO liquid cooler pushes the boundaries of PC cooling aesthetics and performance with its stunning 6.67-inch curved AMOLED display. Unlike typical LCD screens found on many AIO coolers, the 2K AMOLED panel delivers exceptional clarity with a 60 Hz refresh rate, 372 ppi pixel density, and an impressive 1:0:0:0:0:0 to 1 contrast ratio, creating vivid visuals and deep blacks. Its rotatable curved screen enables flexible positioning and supports immersive 3D anamorphic animations like the waterfall effect, adding a dramatic visual centerpiece to any build. The display is protected by tempered glass and full adhesion technology, reducing reflections while enhancing brightness and clarity. Beyond visuals, the cooler relies on Asetek's Adela cooling solution paired with a 27mm high-density radiator to handle demanding workloads such as gaming, video editing, and AI tasks with up to 280W TDP capacity. Customization through Canali software allows users to display system info or personal media, while the quiet Rota ARGB fans maintain stable, low-noise cooling performance. Now number 4. NZXT CPU Cooler. The NZXT Kraken Elite AIO CPU Cooler delivers a premium blend of powerful cooling and striking visual customization for modern PC builds. At its core is NZXT's custom turbine pump, engineered to deliver high flow rate and strong head pressure, efficiently cooling even heat-intensive CPUs while achieving improved performance with reduced noise levels. A standout feature is the large 2.72-inch IPS LCD display, offering sharp 640 by 640 resolution, a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, and impressive brightness of 690 candelas per square meter, ensuring clear visuals from wide viewing angles. This display adds a personal touch by allowing users to showcase GIFs, images, and real-time system stats while integrating with services like Google Photos, Spotify, and YouTube for dynamic content. Installation is user-friendly thanks to pre-applied thermal paste, a simplified single-cable design, and tool-free mounting compatible with modern Intel and AMD sockets. Completing the package, the RGB Core single-frame radiator fan provides efficient airflow and vibrant lighting for a clean, cohesive aesthetic. And our last choice is Noctua CPU Cooler. The Noctua NH-D15 Chromax Black CPU Cooler is widely regarded as one of the finest air coolers available, combining legendary performance with a sleek all-black aesthetic that fits effortlessly into modern PC builds. Backed by hundreds of awards from international hardware reviewers, this premium cooler features an extra-wide 140mm dual-tower heatsink equipped with 6 heat pipes, delivering exceptional heat dissipation comparable to many all-in-one liquid coolers. Its dual-fan configuration uses Noctua's renowned NF-A15 140mm fans, which provide powerful airflow while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, especially with PWM control and included low-noise adapters for balanced acoustics. Even under heavy workloads or overclocking scenarios, the cooler maintains stable temperatures without excessive noise, making it perfect for enthusiasts who value both performance and silence. Installation is straightforward thanks to Noctua's reliable SECU Firm 2 mounting system and included NT-H1 thermal paste. With broad compatibility for modern Intel and AMD platforms and a reassuring 6-year warranty, it remains a top-tier choice for high-performance air cooling. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.